Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Gleek token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Gleek, the platform, is an AI social platform enabling users to generate and enhance content with AI and share it on social media. It is among the first social platforms that incorporates both AI and blockchain to create unique new social experiences. On the platform, users can create accounts representing any chosen identity or theme. Each, assi- each, associ- each associated with its own crypto assets. Creator Creator token will be automatically created on each new account created on the platform and have a centralized supply and distribution. Fleek token total supply is 100 million and circulating supply is 20 million. FLK token. FLK token is listed on KuCoin, Gate.io, MEX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.